Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video, let us talk about how to grab internship in India. Now this is one of the most common question on my Instagram during my live feed or during my Q&A session. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you follow me on Instagram at shubham.ul. Now regarding this question, I have divided this video into 4 parts. In the first part, we are going to talk about your college name, your awareness, your opportunities and lot other factors. The second one will be your resume, templates, skills and lot other factors. The third one will be where to apply for internship, and I know most of you guys are in this video because of this part. And the fourth one will be common question, strategy, planning or pattern that you have to follow. Now without wasting any time, let me quickly follow the first point. So if you are a private college student, remember you have to do 400% extra for every task. That means if you are from top tier college, chances are you will get your internship, you will get your placement with your skill, but your name, your college name plays an important role. This pattern is quite common in India. And if you are someone who is from grade 3 college, private college, you have to do extra effort to make yourself aware in front of other recruiters. So this first point revolves around your college name. Chances are if you are a private college student, recruiters are not going to focus on you because of your college name. The other thing inside this point is if you are a private college student, chances are you are not aware of the opportunities. You don't have proper resources, you don't have proper mentors, and you are not even aware of the competition that is happening in your city. So this is one of the major problems with private colleges. So the first thing that you should do before even preparing for internship, before even preparing for placement, try to make yourself aware as much as you can. In this digital age, you have YouTube, you have several placement groups, you have LinkedIn, you have Instagram, and there are other resources. Try to connect with different college people in your city, in different other cities, and lot other resources on LinkedIn. So try to make yourself aware somehow. This is one of the biggest problem with most of the college students that they are doing right now. They are not utilizing the digital resource and other possible resources that is available online and even with their college groups. So if you have a computer science group, if you have a programming group in your college, if you have hackathons, try to join them, because local companies, local startup try to approach students from hackathons, from college clubs, or during their sponsorship or during their career fair. They try to attract students from these groups only. So make sure you aware yourself with different opportunities and resources. The second point revolves around how you present yourself. So that means I'm talking about your resume. Problem is most colleges help their student to prepare resume during the end of 4th year, end of 3rd year, or maybe the starting of 4th year. Now at that point of time, it is quite hard to brush up your skills to design a perfect resume. You have to understand the psychology from the first year itself. So at this point of time, you should understand the difference between different templates that you are going to use. Most of the students do this wrong. They try to download a regular template from Google, which can be used by a graphic designer, which can be used by an MBA student, a hotel management student and others. So that means they are using a funky template, and no recruiter likes this. If you are a developer and if you are applying for a developer position, try to utilize a good template. Make sure it is simple, clean, and don't have too many font changes, don't have too many colors. I know there are chances that you might like funky stuff, but make sure you use a simple, clean template, which is one of the major problems I have seen with private college students. The other point is don't try to mix too many skills with your single resume. That means if you are applying for a Python developer job, try to add skills that are related to Python at the starting and then other skills. That means if you have worked with Django framework, if you have worked with Laravel framework, try to add Django first and then Laravel. Same follows when you are applying for a PHP developer job, then try to add Laravel first and then Django later. So this helps you to create different resume for different companies and different opportunities. And make sure you keep your resume short and clean. Keep it maximum of 2 pages only. Don't try to create a 5-page resume. I've seen a lot of students trying to do that, showcasing their skills, showcasing their achievement. I know you are great, but try to keep it maximum of 2 page. Try to make it simple, try to make it short. Try to spend lot of time recorrecting it, making it better and better after every read. There are chances that you might be following a spelling mistake, maybe you have some grammar mistake. Try to improve that. Try to connect with a mentor, try to consult with a friend so that you can have a good resume. Now the next point is where to apply. And I know most of you are in this video because of this particular point. So here are few methods, few websites that you should consider while applying. First one is Internship, and I know this is one of the most common method. Try to utilize it better. The second one is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is quite popular and it is that one social media platform which has lot of opportunities. The third one is local career or internship fair. So at this current startup page, there are students, there are clubs, there are entrepreneurship cells that usually organize internship fair, career fairs and lot other things. So make sure you are aware of them. Try to search about them in your cities. They usually happen from January to March. Try to search about e-summits, try to search about entrepreneurship cells, try to search about career fair as well as intern fair. So these are pretty important and they help you to get lot of opportunities. The next one is referral system. So try to connect with your seniors, try to have good contact with your seniors, recent graduate of your college, because they are going to play an important role for your placement and even for your internship. Referral system help companies to grab good student. So what can happen is one of your senior can refer you for a certain position in their company. You get direct entry for the interview process. So this is one of the main reason why students from top tier colleges grow so much, because they have good and well reputed referral system. There are some other websites that I will be adding in the blog post. Check out description for that. Now the next point is common question. So there are certain common questions that you have to prepare. The first thing is common question for the post you are applying. So if you are applying for Python developer job, try to prepare all the common question related to that particular field. There will be other common questions that you have to prepare, like why you want to join our company, tell me about yourself, what are your future plans, and lot other stuff. So you have to search about them. I will try to add them in the blog post. So they are pretty important and they play a crucial role for your selection. You have to prepare yourself before applying to a company. So this is something really important and you have to consider that. So this was super quick video about how to grab internship in India. Make sure you check out the blog post. I will be adding all the important information there, like sample template. Also, I will be adding a lot other sites that are really important, and you can also follow me on Instagram as well as LinkedIn. Now before you move forward, remember, if you are a private college student, it is really important for you to understand the importance of internship. So if you are a private college student, try to get internship during your first year. That means once you complete your first year, you have 2 months. Try to utilize them for an internship. After your second year, after your third year, and at the end of your fourth year. That means the last 6 months of your fourth year. So it is really important for you to grab an internship at each stage. And if you are a top tier college student, possibilities are after third year there will be a pre-placement session, there will be internship session, so you don't have to worry much. But if you are a private college student, you have to get more awareness, you have to showcase yourself well. So try to get internship after every stage. And if you are a beginner and want to learn programming, make sure you check out unwildlearning.com. We have complete roadmap from basics to advanced step by step. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any doubt, make sure you comment. Also, I'm trying to create a complete series regarding internship, so if you have any doubt, make sure you put them into comment section. Thank you for following. See you in the next one.